Vector layering becomes powerful when shapes are stacked with precision and clarity. Today, how to design layered vector shapes. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a new canvas size 2048 by 2048 pixels with a light gray background. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a large square using a deep blue color. Duplicate it and scale the copy slightly smaller, changing its color to teal so it appears layered above. Now switch to the Ellipse tool and add a circle overlapping both shapes using a bright contrasting color like orange, lowering opacity slightly for blending. Choose the Polygon tool and place small